Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm going to explain is e-fuel a scam, and in this video I'll help you know whether e-fuel is a legit product or a scam one. And I would like to inform you that this is not our product, guys. If you have never ordered this product, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the picture of this e-fuel, and the citizens of United States are curious to know about this particular product. And this is you can say economy chip turning box or a fuel saver that claims to help car owners decrease the fuel consumption by 35% and increases the torque up to 25%. So guys, this chip is very easy to install in the electronic control unit of your car, and it helps in reducing fuel consumption without reducing the performance. So this was about this product, guys, and before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit product. So let's start with the price of this particular product. And here are the images of this chip, guys. So when you will click the order now option, you will get the price of this particular product, and the retail cost of this product is $39.98. And you can also get two, you can also buy two and get one free and 100% free shipping, and that price or cost will be $79.96. You can make the payment or via online methods, guys. And this is the plug and play system, guys. This is OBD2 fuel saver. This is the product type of this particular product, and it is best suitable for petrol and diesel as well. And the manufacturer company is giving 2 years on product and 30-day money back guarantee as well. And talking about the compatibility of this e-chip, so yes, this is compatible with all ECU socket, and it can work after driven around 150 miles, guys. So these were the specifications of this particular product. Now coming to the pros of this e-chip, so you can read the information which is available on this web page. And guys, this product helps in saving fuel, which is one of the biggest pros of this particular e-fuel chip, you can say safe box or fuel saving product. And apart from that, it is easy to install, as I've already told you, and it is easy to remove as well, and it revamps the ECU unit of your car to heighten fuel efficiency, guys. Apart from that, this is an eco-friendly chip and it has no impact on environs as well. So guys, it improvises, or you can say it is known for improvising torque by 25% and power by 35%. So these are the amazing pros of this particular device. Now coming to the cons. So guys, we know that each product has pros and cons. And coming to the cons of this product, so yes, this is not suitable for all car models which are made before 1996 year, and it can only work on fuel injected engines. And guys, you can only find this product online, not offline. So these are the cons. And coming to the legitimacy factors, so yes, we have found the official website's domain age is 19th June 2020. So this is, yes, an old domain name and old website. So the site can't be trusted on the basis of the domain age factor, but we can't claim the site legit only on the basis of one factor. So guys, talking about the trust index score, the website's trust index score is 33% and the trust rank is 35.9 by 100. So this factor makes the site quite suspicious, guys. And talking about e-fuel reviews, so we have found positive reviews on the official website. You can take a look. One of the customers said very happy and beyond impressed with this new technology. So these are the customer reviews posted by the users, but we can't trust on these customer reviews because these are not posted by the verified customers, guys. So this is one of the biggest drawbacks, and this is the reason that we can't claim this site a legit. So guys, you need to explore the entire information before making any decision, and it's really very important to explore the more customer reviews to know more about its legitimacy, guys. So yes, we do not recommend you to buy this product before making research, and I request you all to share your experience with this product, guys. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.